Can we use AI in interviews in the EU in 2025? Well, yes, at least if you design it for compliance. I'll show you the compliant workflow you can implement now.
Spike Solutions, your partner to future-proof your HR strategy.
The direct answer is yes, but with controls. You need to keep human oversight, document how it works, and avoid emotion analytics. Let's understand how this is classified. If AI is used for recruitment or worker management, it is generally treated as high risk. That doesn't forbid the use, but it adds obligations around data quality, documentation, logs, and oversight. When we look at the timeline, we see that certain prohibitions, like emotion recognition at work, are already active now. The high-risk duties phase in on set dates. So use the rest of 2025 to build the controls so you're audit-ready. The most compliant workflow is that AI makes suggestions, then a trained person makes the decision, and all overrides are logged. This addresses GDPR Article 22 concerns and meets oversight expectations. Most importantly, you need data you can defend. You should collect job-related inputs only, make sure to avoid social media scraping, and set retention limits. It is important to keep a one-page data sheet per role. You are also responsible for proper vendor diligence, so ask for a summary of risk management and testing, give clear instructions for human oversight, and request exportable logs to trace recommendations per candidate. You also need to make sure that you are transparent to candidates. Tell candidates that AI assists the interview and list the types of signals that are considered. You should also provide a simple and clear way to request human review. One thing you should avoid is emotion analytics. Feelings detection in the workplace is forbidden, and also honesty from voice is not allowed. You can use structured rubrics that score the content of answers instead. To make sure AI is actually improving your processes, you need to measure outcomes, not vibes, so time to decision, quality of hire proxies, and the candidate experience. If AI doesn't beat your baseline, then turn it off. So let's do a quick checklist. Firstly, go for assisted, not automated. Make sure you document the process. You need to run periodic fairness checks. Other compliance facts are that you need to make sure your vendor compliance certifications are up to date. The candidate transparency notes are updated. The HR literacy and compliance training is completed. Make sure data retention is part of the process. And your audit trails should function properly. The trick is to build it right now, so you're audit ready before any fines are coming your way. If you want to learn more about HR, AI, and compliance, don't forget to subscribe. You can get the free checklist in the description. Remember, this is information, not legal advice.